Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Bazzite versus Linux Mint to help you decide which Linux distro fits your needs. And let's start with Bazzite. Now this is a Fedora Atomic-based distro built for gamers and power users. It comes ready with Steam, Lutris, Heroic Launcher, Proton Tools, and the latest graphic drivers. It even supports game mode, HDR, VR, and emulators straight out of the box. Plus, you can use it as a full desktop with GNOME or KDE, making it both a gaming platform and a daily driver. Basically, install Bazzite and you're ready to play. On the other hand, Linux Mint is one of the most beginner-friendly distros built on Ubuntu. It focuses on stability, simplicity, and a familiar desktop experience. Mint doesn't come with all the gaming extras, but it's rock solid for everyday use, browsing, office work, media, and light gaming. Its Cinnamon desktop is clean and intuitive, and it has a massive community, so help is always nearby. But the bottom line, I want to say Bazzite, it's perfect for gamers and power users who want a modern, fast, gaming ready system with minimal setup. For Linux Mint, it's ideal for beginners or anyone who wants a stable, user-friendly desktop for daily computing without headaches. Both are actually excellent, but it really depends on whether your priority is gaming or a simple, reliable desktop experience. That's it. If this helped you decide, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!